3, go.
Hi guys, this is your girl Rose, aka Colibrook Rose. Today, I wanted to show you guys how I do my flaxseed gel. I usually use my flaxseed gel for my wash and go because they give me the best defined curls as possible. So what we will need is a half a cup of flaxseed. I'm using organic flaxseed. You don't have to use organic, but I choose organic. You will need 3 cups of water of flaxseed, and then a pot. Right, that's a pot, right? A pot. So you can choose. So you put the flaxseed in the pot, and you put the 3 cups of water. Then you start your stove. You want to put it, when you get to this part, you want to make sure the flaxseed boil between 10 to 20 minutes so you can get all the good stuff. Make sure it's all slimy. Right here, you want to make sure you cool it off so you can actually shrink the gel out of the flaxseed. You have to take your time. Sometimes you can actually take a knee high so you can get the gel out of it. This flaxseed, this gel is literally amazing. I have used it for my wash and go, my ponytail. It literally lasts me a week. I actually did a wash and go with the flaxseed gel, and I will be posting it. It's actually on my channel, a wash and go, just doing flaxseed gel. It's literally amazing, guys. So you guys should definitely try it. This is my wash and go with the flaxseed gel. I was really surprised. It turned out really well. If you want to check the full wash and go, please check my channel, and I will also link the link below. So please make sure you wash it and give me a comment or a thumbs up. Thank you.